Are you a fresher struggling to create a standout resume? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to craft a compelling resume that will impress potential employers. This video will cover these topics in detail. Watch until the end to get the full picture. Number 1, the importance of a resume. Understand why your resume is crucial in landing your dream job. Number 2, resume structure. Learn the essential components of a well-organized resume, including your header, summary, skills, experience, education. Number 3, what not to do. Avoid common mistakes that can hinder your job search. Number 4, best simple resume templates. Discover our top picks for easy-to-use templates on Canva that will make your resume visually appealing. Number 5, building a resume in Canva. Follow a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a professional resume using Canva's user-friendly interface. Number 6, a secret tip. The secret tip that will stand out your resume. Keep watching the video till the end. And final step, exporting as a PDF. Ensure your resume is compatible with various devices by exporting it as a PDF. Don't miss this informative video that will equip you with the skills to create a winning resume. Your resume is your first impression on potential employers. It's like a digital handshake, introducing you and your skills. A well-crafted resume can help you stand out from the crowd and land that dream job. Think of it as a marketing tool that highlights your qualifications and experiences. A strong resume can open doors to interviews where you can further showcase your abilities and personality. A well-structured resume is the key to unlocking opportunities. Before you begin crafting your resume, familiarize yourself with its components to ensure your information is presented clearly and impressively. Every typical resume has this basic section. Section 1, Header of Resume, consists of your name, contact information, and a professional headshot. Section 2, Summary or Objectives. This section is a concise summary that showcases your key skills and career aspirations. Section 3, Skills. This section lists both your technical skills and interpersonal abilities. Section 4, Experience. This section should showcase your relevant internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer experiences. Section 5, Education. In this section, highlight your academic achievements, including degrees and certifications. Keep watching this video till the end. I will reform the structure in such a way it best suits the freshers and let them give a great first impression. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can watch latest videos. Share with your friend or community members so they can have the same benefit you have. If you have any clarification or comments, please write in the comments section. Here's a pro tip. Consider adding these extra sections to your resume to make a lasting impression on your interviewer. Feature your projects. In the projects section, describe your final year project or any personal projects you've worked on, like the projects you have done as hobbyist. Recommendations. A positive reference from a professional or teacher can significantly bolster your application. Choose someone who can provide a compelling testimonial, highlighting your skills and achievements. If you have any award and accomplishment, don't forget to mention in your resume. These are some common mistakes youngsters do when they draft their resume. Keep your resume concise and focused on relevant information. Avoid using excessive jargon or cliches. Proofread carefully to eliminate any typos or grammatical errors. Be honest about your skills and experience. Don't exaggerate your qualifications or lie about your accomplishments. Tailor your resume to each job application, highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the position. Finally, avoid using unprofessional email addresses or phone numbers that may leave a negative impression. Best simple resume templates. Canva offers a wide range of templates to suit different styles and preferences. These templates provide a solid foundation for your resume, ensuring a visually appealing and professional look. By choosing a template that matches your desired aesthetic, you can save time and effort while creating a resume that stands out. Canva's templates are designed to be customizable, allowing you to easily add your own personal touch and tailor the design to your specific needs. Given your fresher status, a less dense template can be advantageous. This way, your key qualifications will be highlighted without overwhelming the reader. A minimalist approach to your resume template is best. Excessive graphics or patterns can confuse ATS software. leading to missed information or errors in processing. While these templates are simple and effective, I recommend avoiding including a headshot on your resume. Your resume is like the cover of a book, and people often form initial impressions based on appearance. It's better to let your skills and qualifications speak for themselves, and save your headshot for face-to-face meetings or online interviews. I will adopt this template and modify it according to my preferences. Start by clicking on the name placeholder and entering your full name. Include your first name, middle name, if applicable, and last name. Ensure the job title you list accurately reflects your current or desired position. This will help recruiters quickly identify if you are a suitable candidate. Here, I encourage you to leverage an AI tool like Google Gemini or Microsoft Copilot to draft a concise summary. You can also explore other text generation tools to optimize your output. Ensure your summary is between 350 and 400 characters. Remember, a summary should provide a succinct overview of the main points. The prompt is provided in the video description. I am happy to contribute my experience as an assistant inventory record keeper at a local warehouse. While my time there was limited, I gained valuable insights into inventory management processes. Feel free to add any relevant work experience you have under the Work Experience section. Please feel free to delete the Other Experience subsection if it does not apply to you. Double-click on the phone number. For your convenience, replace the phone number with your own. This will prevent any misunderstandings or disruptions if someone tries to reach out. Double-click on the email address field and enter your personal email address. If you don't have a personal website, consider sharing your LinkedIn profile link as a professional online presence. For your safety, please only provide the town and city when writing your address. Do not give your complete or postal address. Highlighting your final year project in your resume can be a valuable asset. Whether it was a project, thesis, or fieldwork, showcasing your academic endeavors can provide valuable insights into your skills and knowledge. Briefly describe your project, including its scope, your role, and any significant outcomes or challenges you overcame. This will help potential employers understand the complexity of the project and your contributions. To enhance the credibility of your resume, consider adding a references section. This allows potential employers to verify your qualifications and experiences directly with individuals who can attest to your skills and accomplishments. By providing references, you demonstrate your confidence in your abilities and your commitment to transparency. Enhance your printable resume's accessibility by incorporating a QR code. This convenient feature allows potential employers to quickly scan your contact information using their smartphone, eliminating the need for manual entry. To seamlessly add a QR code to your resume, follow these simple steps. Navigate to the Apps tab on the left side of the screen and enter QR into the search bar. Choose the Contact QR app. Provide your full name, the position you're applying for, if applicable, your email address, phone number, and, if available, your LinkedIn profile URL. If you don't have a personal website, LinkedIn is a great option. To generate a QR code, click the Create QR Code button. Once the code is generated, click Add to Design. You can position this element anywhere on your resume, but I recommend placing it prominently at the top for easy visibility. Customize the QR code's color and background to match your resume's overall aesthetic. Once your resume is complete, conduct a thorough proofread at least twice to identify and rectify any errors. When you're satisfied with the final draft, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. From the sharing options, select Download. Ensure that the file type is set to PDF if not already selected, and then click on Download again to save the PDF file to your local storage.